Hi everyone, this is Rashmi, your holistic health coach. Welcome back to the channel where I share simple, plant powered meals and mindful living tips that nourish your body, mind, and spirit. So, guys, today I'm making two vibrant healing meals. This is red poha and quinoa kala chana buddha bowl. It's very easy to make. All you have to do is just do a very little of prep in the night before, and you can chop all the vegetables night before and just make it the next day. Here I'm just roasting some vegetables. You can choose any of your favorite ones. Here I chose bell pepper, broccoli, some carrots. They are full of antioxidants, really nutritious vegetables. Zucchini is like low calorie, high water with high vitamin C. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable, rich in fiber, calcium, and antioxidant. I always add one cruciferous every day. And carrots, they're loaded with beta carotene, great for eyes and skin health. Here I'm just I soaked kala chana overnight. This is really rich in protein, fiber, and folate. All you have to do is just pressure cook it with little salt until it's soft. And I've shared the recipe in the description box. You can check it out. Quinoa is very easy to make. Just rinse quinoa well and cook 1 cup with 2 cups of water. And I also roasted some sweet potato, or you can even steam it until it's soft. I also added some fresh cucumber, radish, tomatoes, and some romaine lettuce. It's really nutritious and very healthy and very tasty, guys. You should try it out. It's very easy. I also made some chutney, green chutney, as a dressing. It's made with cilantro, mint, lemon juice, and little touch of cumin. It's super refreshing and loaded with antioxidants. So do try out this recipe. All you have to do is just incorporate everything and put the dressing on the top. This meal, guys, if you try one time, I'm gonna tell you, you will make it again and again. And you can use sweet potato and quinoa next day to make some tikkis. That's what I do. I make everything on the day before, and then next day I use leftovers to make different dishes. So here I'm making red poha. I rinse 1 cup red poha in a strainer for a few seconds. Then let it sit for 5 minutes. In a pan, just heat oil, add mustard seeds, curry leaves, and then saute onions. Here I added lots of vegetables again, carrots, peas, green beans. Season with turmeric, salt, and chili pepper. Add the poha, mix gently, and now steam it for 2 to 3 minutes. I usually make red poha instead of white. It's rich in fiber. It's made of red rice. You can find it in any Indian store. It's full of iron, zinc, and B vitamins. Great for energy, immunity, and digestion. It really supports your gut bacteria. Perfect for weight management and gut health. It's high in fiber, so keeps you full longer. It balances your blood sugar. So both these recipes are plant powered, satisfying, and healing from within. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, improve digestion, or just eat more mindfully, these meals support you on that path. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with friends or family. And if you're looking for clean, vibrant meals, just comment in description box and I'll come up with more recipes. See ya.